as police operatives are pursuing market traders in Onitsha after a directive by the Governor Soludo, that because the market traders have refused to come out every Monday to trade or to do their business as a result of sit at home given by IPOB and IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. As a result of that, Onitsha market traders are no longer allowed to trade for 1 week. So people refuse and they come out to do their normal business. This is what is happening right away in Onitsha market right now. And as the people continue, now what happened next is going to shock you. Just keep watching.